He ain't got no number. Hold on.
Oh man, you said I had no CD on. He don't want got 12, man.
DJ, turn that down a little second. We got contestant number 12 right here. He got two 12s.
Everything 12, nigga like God.
They got two 12s that's all hooked up to 29-volt batteries. I just mess with y'all. He got two 12s. Crack that shit, homie.
Ooh.
Boy, these songs with these long intros.
It sound good for 12 though, man.
That sounds good for 212.
Hell yeah. That motherfucker broke my truck. Spin in it, baby. They get a feeling now. They get a feeling now, baby. I know you know how it is.
I can't run this song. I can do it.
Everybody, my little brother.
I can't even hear this one. I can do it. I can't hear myself breathing now.
That ain't like that.
That bass was hitting hard too. I ain't had no heartbeat. I was just going with the rhythm, man. Hey, we got this number 12. We got one more behind number 12. I got a massager dude backseat. Dude backseat, he's like a massager. This monster clean right here.
You don't look like Rick Ross with nothing.
Hey, but hold on. Before you turn your system on, I'm just gonna say this. This contestant number 13, before you turn your system on, you know you got that shit when you gotta ride around with jumper cables in the car.
You called him.
You gotta ride around with jumper cables in the car. You know you got too much of that speaker system going on. For real.
Hey, I told you got one.
Let's see what you got.
You got them ones in there. You play one time in the booth. See, come on, line, man. Turn it up, bro. Hold on. What number is that on? Get over, bro.
Turn it up, man. For the next 6 minutes. Contestant number 13. With the jumper cables in the bag, this man is hounded. Do we have any more contenders? Any more?
Yeah, the bikes.
Any more? No more system contenders? We're gonna play a little music. We got one more live. We got one more live performance.
Limelight, he on his way.
He on his way. DJ, play something for the crowd.
And you just tell him.
We're gonna talk about this for a minute. Over some hot dog.